Welcome to another teacher tip with Mr. Long, and we are looking at a few of the features of the LiveCloud website. If you don't know about LiveCloud, we've introduced it in our previous video. You can go search for it online for LiveCloud or use the link in the description. And we're going to be looking at the time set option. As I said, the reason why I really like this website is because it's free to use. You actually don't need to log on or anything like that. And it's quite easy to set up quite quickly for you in the classroom if you've got a projector or a monitor that's connected to a computer. So let's look at the time set option for this video. So when I click on time set, if I want to click on the options, there you got lots of little countdowns and timers that you want. Maybe you got a lesson where you want to give the students 5 minutes to talk about a particular topic, or you want them to do a test for 15 minutes. You can use this to have a visual clock displayed. So let's look at the different options. Let's look at the analog timer. So I'm going to click on analog timer, and it takes me to something like this where we can specify the minutes. So let's say we want 5 minutes and I want 30 seconds. So I'm going to click here for 30 seconds. So 5 minutes and 30 seconds. You can see it's between 5 and 6. It's exactly halfway. And then we can click on the start button over here to start down that timer. Now we can't really see it. It's going down a little bit, but it is happening. So that's how you can do it. You can stop it if you want, and we can go here to settings, and we can put a sound, take the sound off if we want it. But there we go. So we've got the little clock going over there. So you can have that visually done like that. I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to go add another time set. Let's go add the digital timer and see what that looks like. So this is on a different slide. So there we go. So we can do exactly the same thing. This allows you for hours, which is quite nice. But I'm going to do seconds now. So let's do like 5 seconds. So there we go. And when you come here to the options, we can actually set a sound. So let's set a bell sound to see what it sounds like. And we can click on the start to see what the bell is going to sound like. So I don't know if you can hear that. There's a little bell sound. So there we go. And if we want to reset it, we can come here to set the time and can redo all the settings and that and so on. So let's go add another one. We're going to add a countdown timer, or control timer, or combo timer. And so here we can do hours, minutes, and seconds. This one is like the first one we did, but it allows us to do hours as well. So you can do hours and then minutes. We want to do 10 minutes. Oh, let's go back there. 10 minutes. And we want to do 4 seconds. So there we go. So this is slightly different. It allows you to do that type of look with the first one that we had. So there we go. So you got a nice little combo timer there as well. So we're going to stop that. Let's go add another one. So now we want the hourglass. So this is a nice little visual representation. So maybe we want 10 seconds, and we can start it, and you can see the sands flowing through the bottom there as it's running out of time for our hourglass timer, which is quite nifty. So there we go. So there's an hourglass timer. Let's go look at the clock. This is just a general clock that you can display so they can see the time. You can change it from analog to a different one. So let's go change it to a stopwatch. We're going to add a stopwatch. For this one, we can just start it and stop it as we need to. So that's not setting anything. It's just timing from 0 onwards. So those are the different clocks that are available to you for this one. So some really nice options when you want to visually display some sort of clock, and you can move between these if you wanted to. So you can see all the different options there. We've got the time, the hourglass, and so on. So you can play around with them. So really nice features that you can have in your classroom to visually display timers and clocks. The time is to support the channel by clicking on that subscribe button so that you don't miss when we post videos about the other features of LiveCloud, as well as other features that can help you in the classroom. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.